Magandang gabi, mabuhay Philippines.
Magandang gabi.
Magandang gabi, yes. Hello everybody, I'm Stefano Guarani, man of the world Peru. I would like to present this amulet. This is the Pucara bull. As you see, it's a little bull. It's the Pucara bull. It's an amulet from my country, originally from Puno. It's a region of Peru. This is an amulet for prosperity, protection, happiness, and fertility. You can use inside your home or also in the roof because it's what the people do in my country. The color white represents peace in your home. So I also have the red one that is for love. And as you see, their eyes act like he's always alertness. So it's like a guardian in your home. And the strong body is represent for fertility. So well, yeah, this is the Pucara bull. And I also have the red one. Thank you so much.
It's a Pucara